Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel because I don't cover Avax that much. We're covering it now though. We're doing a full technical and fundamental update because we need to talk about the fundamentals a little bit to understand this move for Avalanche and for Avax. So we'll talk about that, we'll talk about the technicals, hopefully everything you need to know. That's at least my goal. But yeah, there's enough to talk about, so let's get into it. Before we dive into Avax specifically though, I do want to briefly tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and I'm a profitable trader, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my own trading guide. So join our community of over 100 people and I can assure you that you'll become a better trader. But for now, let's get into Avax. So the thing currently, what we're seeing is that Avalanche is doing pretty well. Like the daily transactions have skyrocketed up and the daily active addresses as well. That's up about 33% right now, like day on day. Total value locked up a little bit, not too much yet, but that could still follow. And that's all because some sort of a hard fork of Friend Tag. All right, if you don't know that, that's some sort of a big social fi platform where basically you can get extra access if you buy like shares of some sort of an influencer, shares or keys. And there was a hard fork. I'm not sure what the name of it is again. I mean, I can check it out on Twitter. Maybe it's right here. No, it isn't. I don't want Trends of the Netherlands, but all right. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm not going to be able to find it, but some sort of a fork, and that's doing very, very well. So that increases, like you have to, like a lot of that is on chain. So that means more transactions, that means more people on Avalanche, and that means more people buying Avax. And there's just way more volume. I mean, you can see right now as well, if we take a look at some other numbers, that the volume has like increased exponentially since Wednesday. And it's still growing. Like the volume right now is about $750 in perpetual futures at least. And the open interest is even higher. So there's a lot of momentum right now for Avax. It was also transacted by some market makers I already saw earlier. So basically, technically, after it broke above $10 right here, it was already very bullish. Now it still struggled with the 236 FIB right here, but now it broke above that. It broke above the 10.5 resistance level, which you can see right now, right here as well. So purely technically, there's really nothing bearish on Avax. The only thing I could think of that could be bearish is if Bitcoin crashes today. But even that, like the correlation between Avax and Bitcoin right now is shrinking rapidly. Like it went from 92% to 56% right now. So that's all very bullish. And I would say that until something happens, it will remain bullish. So for now, the most likely scenario is that it will get up to this. Like there's a lot of resistance between $11 and 11.4. I'd say the main resistance will be around 11.2. But that's my price target for now. Like after this bullish breakout, I do expect that. And then from there, we'll see again. I mean, kind of depending on how much resistance is found there, etc. It will either find resistance there and drop back down, or it will just retrace a little bit and then continue up towards 12.2. That's very much possible. Something like this. But we'll have to see. Like that's something for the next few days. I'll try to cover Avax daily if you're interested in that. So let me know down in the comments. And like I said, I mean, this all is based on the assumption that Bitcoin will remain relatively stable. It's a Friday. We got some big news. So it could happen that Bitcoin drops down. And if Bitcoin starts crashing right here below 27,300 or something, I do expect Avax to drop back down towards $10 as well. But I mean, that's not the most likely scenario right now. That's just something you should know. All right, so that's my take on Avax. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.